past episode, I tested the build. In this episode, I'm finally assembling the build in the PC case. Stay tuned. So I first remove all the components that was fixed, starting from the graphics card. I lift it up and then pull down the latch for it to be removed. I then take off the power supply for the main board, also for the SSD on the SATA port. And then I remove the RGB controller. I align the board inside the case just to make sure it fits in the right position. And then screw the board in place. I then remove the RGB connectors to the RGB controller and then connect the power for the front USB. And then the data for the USB as well. Then audio. Clip the Wi-Fi antenna to the ports. I then screw it in place. I remove the USB cable so that I'll be able to fix the graphics card. I then screw it in place and make sure that it is straight. Then I connect the front panel ports, that is for power. Reset the hard disk drive, LEDs, as well as the switch. In the previous videos, I explained each and every part. You can watch it to get the full explanation. So when it is done, I now put in the RGB controller. So I connect the RGB controller to the board. And then insert the power supply. I pull the power supply and then connect the CPU. Then the main board. Then I connect the graphics card to the power supply. Then connect the power supply to the RGB controller. So it's time for some cable management, and I pull all the RGB cables and then connect it at one side. Then take a zip tie to tie them in place. Then connect back the USB power. I connect back the power to the main board. Then connect each and every RGB fan to the controller. So I tested the build to see if everything is working. And then everything seems to be working fine. So I turn the PC off. And then connect the SSD for tests. At this stage, I realized that the PC case would have to be changed. So I decided not to stick the RGB controller onto the PC case. So I put it on and then fix the back enclosure of the PC case. Then I screw it together in its position. Fix the glass panel to the side. I then apply the screws in place. So I test the build and till now everything is working. I connect the antenna of the Wi-Fi. Then hook it to a monitor using the HDMI. And then let's see what goes. So I press the escape to boot into the BIOS, and then I select the hard disk I want to start with, and then save, and then reboot the PC. As usual, links to purchase these parts are in the description. I have a series coming up to explain each PC part into detail and a guide to picking them. So do subscribe and set your notification to all videos so that you'll be notified whenever I release them. And we are into Windows, so everything is successful till now. So after installing the Windows, we are here. So I just select my accounts and we are in. So that is the final build. That is it for this episode. The next episode, I'll be showing you the final case and reviewing the build as well. Catch you in the next one.